Caution Hancock in Miami Township, where the township is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to review a $45 million wrongful conviction award given to Dean Gillispie, who spent more than 20 years in prison for sexual assaults he didn't commit. After serving more than 20 years behind bars for sexual assaults and rapes he wasn't responsible for, Roger Dean Gillispie sued over his wrongful conviction, according to a May filing in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit. Back in 1988, someone abducted two sisters at gunpoint in Miami Township and forced them to perform sexual acts. Gillispie's supervisor, a former Miami Township police officer, suggested Gillispie as a possible suspect to police. Then the police chief told a sergeant and detective to investigate Gillispie. The sergeant and detective ultimately eliminated Gillispie as a possible suspect because he didn't match the victim's descriptions. But this elimination report was never produced to Gillispie's defense at trial. Gillispie was arrested in 1990 before he was convicted in 1991, then granted a new trial and convicted. That brings us to 2011, when the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Ohio confirmed that elimination report was never given to Gillispie's defense. So a state court vacated Gillispie's conviction and ordered a new trial. In 2017, the Montgomery County Court of Common Pleas dismissed all charges against Gillispie, and in 2021, he was declared wrongfully imprisoned. In 2013, Gillispie sued over his wrongful imprisonment and was awarded $45 million in damages, but Miami Township believed the award was excessive and filed a motion which the court denied. I reached out to the township for an interview. It sent me a statement from Miami Township Board of Trustees President Terry Posey Jr., which says Miami Township has filed a petition for certiorari to the U.S. Supreme Court to address significant legal questions regarding township liability. It goes on to say the action is supported by amicus briefs of the Ohio Township Association, Ohio Chamber of Commerce, and other stakeholders who recognize the possible impact on development. In court documents, Miami Township says the threat to local government could cause bankruptcy, and taxpayers aren't able to prepare for this type of budget. As we continue to follow this case, we'll bring you the latest updates. Scan the QR code on your screen. That'll take you to our Dayton 24/7 Now website, where you can stay updated on the latest developments.